Unraveling Idioms. Throw off the scent. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often puzzles learners: throw off the scent. It's an idiom that paints a vivid picture, and understanding it can add a layer of richness to your English. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in conversation. Throw off the scent is an idiom that means to mislead or distract someone from finding out the truth. Imagine a detective following clues, or a hound following a scent trail. If the trail suddenly ends or leads in the wrong direction, the detective or hound is thrown off the path to the real answer. In everyday use, it's about diverting attention or throwing someone off track to prevent them from discovering something. The phrase originates from hunting terminology. In the past, hunters used hounds to track game by scent. If the animal being hunted managed to cross a stream or find another way to confuse the hounds, it was said to have thrown the hounds off the scent. Over time, this hunting term was adopted into everyday language to describe any action taken to mislead or distract. 1. When talking about mystery or detective stories, the author is great at throwing readers off the scent with red herrings. 2. In discussions about strategy, they leaked false information to throw their competitors off the scent. 3. When someone is trying to avoid detection, he changed his daily routine to throw off anyone who might be following him. Remember, while it's a colorful expression, it's best used in contexts where it's clear you're speaking metaphorically. Avoid using it in formal situations or when the meaning could be misunderstood. This idiom is popular in literature, especially in mystery and detective genres, where misleading the audience is a key part of the plot. It's also used in movies, TV shows, and even in everyday conversations when discussing politics, business strategies, or personal anecdotes about avoiding getting caught. Understanding idioms like throw off the scent can make English more enjoyable and help you express yourself more vividly. We hope this exploration has helped clarify this intriguing phrase for you. Remember, language is a journey, and every idiom you master is a step further on your path to fluency. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.